think I was athletic enough. Because I was surrounded by these individuals that were athletically gifted, musically inclined, and academically smart. And I felt like a loser because I didn't have any special talents or skills. That was my belief. And I desperately wanted to fit in. So desperate, I decided to join the game.
And so these are some of the things that when you're going through the entrepreneurial mindset is that you have to make sure that your dreams stay top of mind. Because if it doesn't stay top of mind, when the opportunities come up, you'll be blinded to them. Chances are that many of you are missing out on opportunities right now because you're so stressed out. And the dream that you had is turned into a nightmare, and then the doubt is coming in. And when the doubt comes in, you're blinded towards opportunity. And so part of the knowledge is working on you spiritually, personally, to develop yourself, to keep your mind healthy.
And then the most bizarre thing happened. My mom gave me a book. A book. Can you believe that? Did she really think that Ace would read some stupid book? Let's get real. But on page 25 of that book, I read 11 words that changed my life. What the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. What the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. Would you agree that that's a powerful message to receive a 16-year-old?
Yes.
And here I am. Here I am on the stage 38 years later. And those 11 words continue to fuel my passion as I embark on a new journey, an audacious journey as a professional speaker, certified speaking coach, empowering entrepreneurs to speak and grow their business. What about you? What's your audacious journey? Do you believe that you're good enough, smart enough, talented enough to make your journey a great success? I believe you are. And this could be your defining moment. My special gift to you tonight are these 11 words. What your mind can conceive and believe, your mind can achieve. Thank you.